Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use our two pumps that we use the most. This one over here is a multi-tank with the electric pump. It's as simple as filling up your tank. You've got all your fuel caps there. When you've got your tank filled up, you open up your valves, and when you've got them all open, you are basically ready. You take your nozzle, put it in your machine that you're filling, turn on your pump, and you're ready to fill. When you're done filling, turn your pump back off, close your valves, and when they are all closed, you now have got isolated 110-gallon tanks here, which means you can get back on the road without a hazmat license. So that's what you do on the electric pump. No priming necessary. And then I'll show you the 990 over here. This one's got the gas-powered pump with electric start. So here we've got the fill up here. So fill it up. When you've got fuel in there, you can open up the main valve right here, which it says main shutoff valve must be in the closed position when not in use or during transport. Open that up. Now you've got your fuel coming to the pump. This here is for priming. So before you start using it, we include a hose, priming hose, shut off engine before priming. We include it so that you don't get a mess into your cabinet. This is simply so that you can get the fuel to come out over here. Open this valve till the fuel comes out. We have a spring-loaded valve so that you don't forget to close it. You can take that hose back off if you want to. That is now primed for its initial use. Start your engine, take the nozzle, and fill up your equipment. Put it back, turn your engine off. You should not need to prime it again unless you leave the engine running after you turn this valve off. But if you turn your engine off first, you should be fine. If for some reason you need to prime it again, we make it super easy with this valve over here. Let me know if you have any questions.